Hi there, and welcome to episode 2 of The Quick Fix, Design Tips for DIYers. I'm Christy, Dream Room Designer, Expert Home Stager, and Airbnb Superhost. And in today's episode, I am going to show you step by step how to make a beautiful tablescape, and with only using these items, which cost me around $75, you could definitely get them a little cheaper or a little less expensive. A lot of this, most of this came from either Hobby Lobby, and I believe these may have come from Kirkland's. I spent a little bit more money on those, but you can totally get those at Hobby Lobby for a fraction of the cost. So if you just focus on these particular elements, then you can make your table beautiful, and you can make it really simple and easy to just switch them out for each season. I do that about 3 times a year. I've just got my little tablescapes, and I'll just bring them out and switch them out and change them up, and it's just really nice. It's really simple, and then when we sit at our table, it's really easy to clear it off and really easy to put it back on. So follow me in these steps and you'll see how it's done. The centerpiece is one of the most important parts of the tablescape, but can be as simple as a vase and a couple of stems. For the placemats, I prefer cloth, but on the ends of the table, I prefer to switch it up a bit, so I simply flip the placemat over on the other side for a contrasting color. The chargers are also very important because these will anchor the decor pieces that you place on top. And here I've gone with a matte black, but you can use any color that you'd like based on the season. And for the cute decorative piece on top, I've gone with a simple napkin tied in a piece of twine, and on the ends of the table, a bundle of flowers. And that's really all it takes to create a beautiful tablescape without breaking the bank. Join me next time for the Quick Fix.